good morning everyone. I'm Chin. Today we have this special topic about immune system. So who's on the line joining us today for today's live? As per topic that I've shared yesterday and today, it's all about school is going to open. So are you ready for school? Morning, Jessie. Yeah, so now I would like to invite my special guest of today. So this special guest, what's his background? He's actually graduated from biomedical science from University of Tasmania, Australia, and also he furthered his study to ultrasound specialist as a sonographer. Yes, morning Eve. So this is Mr. Rex. Oh!
Yeah, good morning everyone.
Please do help us share. Okay,
share.
Share the link out. Okay.
So what you want to talk about today?
About immune system. So the
Immune
children
system.
is going to school.
Yeah.
Tomorrow. So you're going to be on the 1st
you need a teacher.
of March.
You
Yes.
need a teacher, not a sonographer, not a biomedical scientist.
Yes, we do need teacher, but children also need to know that what they should be get prepared for. Of course, the school uniform, stationaries, and all that. But how about their immune system? Yes.
Okay, I think before we talk about immune system, what we need is some precaution for parents to remind the kids. So what are those?
The SOP.
Yeah, the SOP.
Mask always on.
You try to keep 1 meter apart from each other.
Social distance.
Yeah, social distance.
Wash your hands
frequently,
with soap.
thoroughly. Yeah. So if possible, more than 25 seconds. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So inside out, every single fingers. Alright? The hands both sides.
Yeah.
Yeah. What else? So
Mask always on. This is
mask
good.
always on.
Yeah, and sanitize.
If found out that anyone is actually having flu or fever, please do not allow them to go to the public or even go to the school.
Yes.
All right, that's really important.
Yes.
And and one more thing, remember to eat breakfast.
Okay. Breakfast is
to
important.
take breakfast and at the same time to take care of our immune system.
Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So why is it that our immune system is so important?
Why?
Do you know that?
No, please share with us.
Yeah, because today, if even there are people in the public that they are actually being infected.
Okay.
Not only this COVID, any viruses,
But
or they are actually asymptomatic. Asymptomatic means they have no symptoms, so you do not know. So the last of the external preventive system into our body is actually our immune system.
I see.
Yes,
So
before
there's
we enter,
how many
go in.
levels, how many different type of immune system? Will you share that?
Just one immune system.
Okay.
Immune system.
But there's different.
There are
soldier
different
mechanism.
mechanism of how it works.
I see.
All right. So I'm going to draw you here. Yeah. Bear in mind, I'm
Not an artist.
yeah, I'm not an artist.
Hope
so
you understand.
Hope you can understand my
Ah.
drawing. All right.
You know, doctor
So,
writing is not.
While Chini is giving you a tour, so I'm going to draw you some pictures, diagram, so that hopefully you can understand.
Yeah. So today we will talk about why is the immune system? Why is our immune system so important? Okay. So as I saw like many parents start posting on their social media and asking whether or not they want to send their children to school. So I believe government has said has this plan. 1st of March. 1st of March it will be going to be the standards one, starting going to school, and 8th of March will be the other standards, right? Other levels. Okay, so now Mr. Rex is drawing the drawing the immune system chart for us to let us know more about why is it so important and how does all the mechanism plays their role in our body, how it works and all that. Yeah. So, and of course, during this, starting from last year till now, everyone is very concerned and start taking different types of supplements, and of course vitamin C, vitamin B, and different types of supplements to boost the immune system. So, so now we want to share more about how our immune system works and how the supplements do work. Okay, work with our.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Almost.
Almost ready. Okay. Yeah, I can see. Can you see?
I'm not quite sure whether they can see or not.
Okay. Let me pull this nearer. Okay. Right. Okay. Can everyone see? Okay, can. I saw
I'm
a
trying to draw as big as possible so that everyone can see, okay?
big whiteboard. Chloe say, big whiteboard. Yeah, we love this whiteboard very much. Okay,
So,
let's share with us.
yeah, why not? Right.
Okay, I saw this is a T cell. This is B cell.
We got a couple of friends here.
Huh. And what else?
What else?
This is like a sun.
Yeah, but it's not a sun that you
That
can
is like a
imagine.
Pac-Man.
That is not the sun that you would have imagined. Right?
Can see. If they can see, good.
Yeah, if you can see, that is really important.
Okay.
So, as now you have to go back to school, so that it's really important for you to understand what teacher is going to draw on the board. If you do not understand, please do ask questions, alright? Haha. Okay, here comes the story. Alright, so, this is actually the virus.
Oh.
Although it looked like a sun. Oh my god.
Okay.
Can you actually see that from the board?
Yeah. Can. Clear.
Okay, this
Good.
is the virus, okay?
This is a virus
Or bacteria,
or bacteria.
or any harmful.
The one in purple color.
Yeah,
Okay.
these are the culprit. We call that. Okay, those are the bad guys. Okay, kids, remember. Okay, I have to call kids already because they probably are actually watching this video. Okay, so what happened is in our in our body we do have this. It looks like giant monster, alright?
Yeah.
But they are good guys. They are going to protect you.
Oh.
Protect us.
I see.
What are their names? Their name is called macrophage. So in a singular form, it's called macrophage. In plural form, it's called macrophages. So in our body, we have plenty of them. Alright,
Okay.
they are the good guy. So what will happen? They will detect this virus, the bad guy. They have the antenna. They collect all the data and signal, okay, through Wi-Fi, through their data plan, whatever, alright? But they are going to detect it, okay? So once they detect it, this come to our body. Just what happened? Like your friend next to you, sit next to you, actually, chee. Then you will say, sorry, I'm sorry. So by accident, it goes to your body. So what happens when it goes to the body? Our macrophages will start working. Then they
It's
will.
like a Pac-Man.
Yeah, they are doing patrolling. They are doing patrolling all around our body 24/7. Okay, so when it comes to it, realize this is the bad guy. Originally, it looks like that, a round shape. When they detect this virus or bacteria, any bad guy and all, they will come out with two hands. Come. They will eat them. Once they eat them, goes in there. So goes in there. Okay, sorry, I missed something here. Okay. So once they engulf it, we call it, eat it into the body of the macrophage. So what would happen? What would happen? The macrophage will secrete, come up with something. It is called nitric oxide. Why macrophage has to come up with nitric oxide? Because nitric oxide is going to break down the whole virus, the whole bacteria. Once it breaks down, yes, into pieces. When it goes into pieces, what will happen? When it goes into pieces, then they will start to analyze.
Oh, they analyze.
Yes, they analyze it.
I see.
Yeah, so it break down. This one is break down.
Break down and analyze.
It's just like when you first learning how to cook.
Okay.
Yeah, you cut down into pieces, then you start to analyze. This is what doing experiment.
Okay.
Yeah. Then what happened when they have finally finished analyzing?
Then
they will send to two different parts.
to send the report.
Yeah. They will send the report. They will send their analysis report to two different friends.
Yeah.
And both of them are called T cell. Hey, why? They only send to one friend enough already. They are both called T cell. They are T cell, name T cell, but they are different in nature. You see, the color is different.
Okay.
Yeah, just like you can imagine, the ranking is different. So one of the T cell, they carry the role that they will eventually send the signal to another friend, another ally called B cell. So what is this B cell for? So this B cell, you can imagine that it's just like a factory. It is just like how they formulate. Once they send the signal to the factory, they know already, how am I going to target this culprit, this bad thing? So they are going to do the formula, they are going to formulate it, then they are going to manufacture more and more what we call antibody. They are going to produce more and more antibody, so they have the formula already because they have analyzed it. Macrophage has analyzed it, send the report to T cell. T cell again tell the B cell to produce more and more antibody with the long-term memory. So when we have the memory, so next round, when the same bacteria, when the same culprit, when the same virus come into our body, the B cell will have memory. The B cell will immediately produce a lot, heaps and heaps of antibody to go against the virus before the macrophage realize it. So amazing, right? Then this macrophage continue to send the signal to another T cell. And this T cell is no joke, okay? Because this T cell basically, they are the sniper, okay? They were very, very targeted. They were very, very much targeted to immediately kill this guy.
Whoa, because they have analyzed.
Yes.
They have the report.
Yes.
So they know who to kill.
Yes, exactly. So they were very, very task orientated immediately. This is for combat. Okay, they are going to fail. Those T cell and B cell, they are not immediately going to fail. They are at the back end to support, to produce as a factory. And this T cell is no joke. They go out, they just like machine gun, they are going to just shoot it. Okay, this is how all our immune system works. So when they are being shot, then they die. Then they get flat already, dead. Get flat, dead. Okay, but having said that, once they die, they don't just die like that, okay? Because they have their dead body, okay, lying all around our body system. So that is not gonna happen in our body. And our friend here,
The Pac-Man.
yeah, the Pac-Man is going to come, detect it, and again eat it. They are going to clean up, sweep up the floor. So this guy is good, very good. Macrophage is very good. Attack it, then analyze, break it down, send the signal. Then again, once they die, they have to clean up the whole scene, the crime scene. Okay, so make it no trace. Then it goes back to
The same cycle.
the same cycle again and again. And this is just one of the cycle that inside our body for how immune system works. Alright? So that's why this is really important in terms of how our immune system works. So that's why the macrophages is really important to kickstart. Because without the macrophage, the whole system doesn't work. Right? So it is really important. It is really important for the macrophage to kickstart, to go around for the whole immune system, even to wipe out the dead body of any bacteria or viruses. Okay? So I think a lot of you kids, you may have already have an idea. If you don't remember, it's fine because you always have your book to refer to. Okay, so while I wipe it off, I think it's really important for us to know that if one day our macrophage doesn't want to work, getting lazy, they are going to sleep only. So what happened?
What happened?
The whole system is not going to work. Then we are at risk already. So it is very important for the macrophage to work, to wake up.
Why they will fall asleep?
Oh,
Why?
it is important for you to know that because if you stay at home, play your computer game all around, looking at the phone all around, without eating properly, your mom, your dad ask you to take, take proper meal, drink more water, sleep early. You don't want to do it.
Don't want to listen?
They also don't want to listen to you.
I see.
So you are going to fall sick.
I see.
So that's why eat well, sleep well, eat regularly, sleep regularly, and also stress level. Everything is really important to our immune system. So besides that, what if they already asleep? They already fall asleep. And there's a way.
Aging will cause that also.
Yeah, aging. So we can't avoid that. So that's why it's very important for us to know a way that to wake this up. So what is that? Would you want to tell us about it?
Yes. So we have this. Our Shiruto.
Yeah.
Yes. Our Shiruto itself is actually. Oh, you want to?
Yeah.
Okay. Shiruto itself is the vitamins for macrophages. Okay, it can awaken them, it can give them energy so that they can work, they can start to break down, analyze, send report, and also to sweep the floor. Okay, so it's important. So Shiruto itself, there's one contained is called IPPA1. Okay, so this IPPA1 is being awarded. The studies, the research is being awarded one of the Nobel Prize. Yes, because of this research. And this is fully imported from Japan. Okay, so it's very, children will like it. Who love this Shiruto, please say yes at the comment box. Who is taking this Shiruto already, please say yes, I do. Okay, so
school opening is around the corner.
Yep.
So this Shiruto, it has the IPPA1, which is extracted from wheat, go through a fermentation, very unique fermentation process, so that this wheat extract, it's called IPPA1, can help to help to wake up our immune system, to wake up our macrophages, so that the whole cycle just now, it can work very fluently.
yes, and so this is how it looks like.
So it's how it looks like. Very easy to bring along. If you want, you can just put in your bag, put in your school bag,
Yes.
slip inside your textbook. No, you
And
will
it's
forget it.
only from BE International.
Yes, yes,
Not
yes.
from other platform.
Alright.
Other platform is not original. Okay, so it's only from BE International. If you buy this product, it must be original BE International receipt. Invoice. Okay, other invoices are not under BE. Okay, are not original. So this is important. Important.
All right.
Yeah.
So,
Let's
and
see.
it, yeah. Oh, okay.
And it tastes
I never
very
knew.
nice,
I never-
easily to see,
Open.
and it's in powder form.
Do you know that I have a quiz for you?
Yep.
Do you know that where does this Shiruto come from?
This Shiruto come from where? Japan?
BE International. Yeah, and yeah, we imported it fully from Japan. Okay.
Cheers.
Ding. Nice.
Nice. So do take your Shiruto every day. So to keep your microphages awake, give them the right vitamins so that they can be active all the time
Yes. So
to
that
do their work.
to protect us, macrophage to protect us from any we call it pathogen. Okay.
Okay.
That is very harmful to our body, and macrophages is going to keep us safe.
Yep. So this is our life for today. Stay safe, stay home, and follow the SOP.
Yes.
Okay? And stay healthy and positive. I'm Chinin,
Rex here.
going to sign off.
Bye-bye.
Bye.